If you've got avocados and leftover bread, let me show you an easy guacamole toast. I'm starting with 1/4 of an onion, diced really small. You want the flavor without overpowering the avocado. Then I add 1/4 of a tomato, also diced. I remove some of the watery inside so the guacamole doesn't get too wet. For freshness, I add about 3 tablespoons of cilantro. If you love cilantro, this is perfect. If not, feel free to adjust. For a little heat, I'm using 1 whole jalapeno. I cored it and removed most of the seeds, but kept a few so it still has a little kick. Now it's time to use 3 avocados. After cutting them open and removing the pits, I slice and dice them directly into a bowl. Now I season it with a dash of salt and the juice from half a lime. The lime brings everything together and keeps the guacamole bright. Next, I mash everything together. I like my guacamole slightly lumpy, but mostly smooth. You still want some texture. While that's done, I move on to the bread. I'm using leftover hamburger buns, spreading butter on each piece. I place the bread in the air fryer to toast. Once it starts warming up, I spread the butter evenly so every bite is perfectly buttery. After a few minutes, the bread comes out golden and crisp. Now I spread the guacamole generously over the toast. You can add salt and pepper to taste. One of my favorite additions, though I didn't use it here, is everything bagel seasoning. It adds extra flavor and crunch.